everyone, this is my video assessment for the English course given by Mr. Mofli. So, my name is Aulia Rifdalvia Kazman, but the people closest to me usually call me Aul, and some also call me Ila. I was born in Makassar on February 25, 2007, and I'm only child. Originally from Bantaeng, and currently I live in Tarakan PU Complex. My hobby is watching favorite movies, and I really like cooking. So, in this English course, I hope that one day I will able to speak English better because I think English is international language that we must learn. I would like to introduce myself. That's all from me. Nice to meet you. Bye.